Hey YouTubers and campers, Rand here again with Rand Pam's Adventures. Well, today still preparing for next year's trips, so waiting out the holiday season now. But anyways, I'm out here looking at the camper and thinking, what can I work on? And I thought, maybe I'll clean my coils on my AC air conditioner unit. Because I remember when we were going through the southern states, man, it was hot and humid. And we ran the air conditioner quite a bit. So I figured, let me do some coil cleaning. Well, I did get up there and remove the cover already and looked at the coils. And to my surprise, they're very clean still. But I'm still going to go ahead and clean the coils, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Let me show you what I got to do the job with, okay? So first of all, I got 2 cans of this stuff here. It's HVAC coil cleaner, some green stuff. That'll do both coils, the condenser and evaporator. And then I went and got this, for 10 bucks I think it was, little bug sprayer. And I'll spray my coils with that. So I'll spray this stuff on, and then I'll rinse it off with this, is my plan. So let's go up here, and I'll show you what it looks like. I already opened it up, like I said, and you can see the coils, so I'll show you all that. Well, here we are. This is the unit, and this is the condenser side. As you can see, the coils look really good. But here's my stuff. So I'm going to spray it anyways and get any dust off it. Let me show you the other side. Inside here, oops. Inside's pretty clean too. A little dusty, but not bad. No wasp nest or nothing. And then on the evaporator side, over here, I did put some plastic down so I don't get no water down inside the camper. You can see the coils. Yeah. We'll just go ahead and spray it and put it back together. Okay, let me put some, I set all my stuff over here, bolts. This evaporator side, I had a lot more bolts than the condenser side. Here, let me spray these coils and I'll show you that. Okay, so I've loaded up the coils with this spray-on cleaner. Supposed to let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes and then hose it off. Getting into the back side here was a little difficult, but I got some in there. I'll be able to spray it. I'll spray this off a little bit too. And then on the evaporator side, same thing. So let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'll spray it off and show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, bye. Well, okay guys, I got it all clean. I sprayed it off with that little bug sprayer there, and it looks pretty good. Of course, it wasn't bad to start with. I did get some dirt out of it though, so I don't have to worry about it for a year now. And then evaporator side, and then I hose this off a little bit. Didn't get no water on the inside, so that's all good. So now it's just about putting it all back together. Just so you know, this is a Coleman Mac, and it's a 13,000 BTU unit. It's about a year old now. So after 15,000 miles, must admit, pretty clean. Here we go. All right, let me get back together, show you when I get it all done. Well, here we are, guys. All back together and cleaned up. So, all tested, working good. So, it's on to the next project now. Not sure what that is, but it'll be something. Anyways, have a good, hope you had a good Thanksgiving weekend, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.